Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit and update tasks with the multitask toolbar in ClickUp. This is a fantastic feature that saves you tons of time when you need to make the same changes to multiple tasks at once rather than editing them one by one. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and type in clickup.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace if you manage multiple teams or projects. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, look at your panel and click on Spaces. This will show you all the different spaces you've created or have access to within your ClickUp workspace. Go ahead and click on a specific space where you want to bulk edit your tasks. This could be a marketing space, a project space, or any other area you've organized your work into. Now, once you're inside that space, you'll see a list of tasks displayed. On the left side of each task name, you'll notice a small checkbox. This is what allows you to select multiple tasks for bulk editing. Click on the box next to the first task you want to edit, then click on the boxes next to any other tasks you'd like to update at the same time. You can select as many as you need. As soon as you've selected at least 2 tasks, the multitask toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen. This toolbar is your command center for making bulk changes quickly and efficiently. The first option you'll see on the toolbar is Status. Click on it, and you'll be able to change the status of all selected tasks in one go. You can set them to not started, active, or closed, depending on where those tasks are in your workflow. This is especially useful when you're moving a batch of tasks through different stages of completion. Next up is Assignees. Click on this option to assign one or more team members to all the tasks you've selected. This is perfect when you're delegating a group of related tasks to the same person or team, saving you the hassle of opening each task individually. Then you'll find the Date option. Click here to edit the start date and due date for all the selected tasks at once. You can set the same deadlines across multiple tasks, which is great for aligning work that needs to be completed within the same time frame. After that, there's the Tags option. Click on it to add relevant tags to your selected tasks. Tags help you organize and filter tasks by theme, priority, or any other category you find useful, and doing this in bulk keeps everything consistent. You'll also see an option to move or add tasks. This lets you move all the highlighted tasks to a different list or even convert them into subtasks under a parent task. This is incredibly handy when you're restructuring your workflow or grouping related items together. Finally, the toolbar gives you additional options like copy, duplicate, archive, or delete. If you need to replicate a set of tasks, archive completed ones, or remove outdated items, you can do it all at once with just a few clicks. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the multitask toolbar in ClickUp to bulk edit and update tasks efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.